Alright, it is 20 degrees above 0 Fahrenheit right now. I like to do a cold start on the old thing. I got a brand new battery. It's a 950 CCA. Ooh, got the valve cover all polished up. Looks nice. I changed my fuel filters, all that fun stuff. Adjusted my valves so they actually runs properly now. Timing was off a little bit. Fix that. See if it starts better. I was having some issues last week starting. It's cold. I had some leaky. I had a leaky seal, I think. My whole back filled up with water. It was pretty bad. I'm about to take it on a road trip down to Los Angeles. Probably leave here in 3 days. Oh yeah. Started like nothing. Oh, I'm really glad that started better. That's awesome. Not even smoking that bad either. Looks like it's not steam. I don't even see blue through it at all. Got her tuned right in. Well, there you go. Cold start, 1975 Mercedes 300D. 20 degrees Fahrenheit.